Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video we'll talk about the automatic sheet. As you can see in the title up there, this one, automatic sheet. How do we create that? So be patient and watch the video until the end. If you have unsubscribed my channel so far, kindly do subscribe so you will know such things in future. There are many videos coming up. All right, so I'm going to delete the whole thing here, and then I'm going to put it all those formulas that how this is work. So there are two ways we can do. We can use if and is blank with a VLOOKUP, or we can use if error and VLOOKUP together. So both works the same way. So I'm going to show you both. So if you have patience, sit back and watch. So first I'm going to show you all those how it works. So I'm going to delete all the formulas here, okay, and I'm going to delete this as well. Go to data tab, data validation, and you can just clear it off. And okay, so data validation is removed, done. You drag it down, no more data validation here. All right, so where's the data? The data is here. Actually I have hidden it, so I will do unhide. So data is all here, okay. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to put some formulas here in the sales column. You're going to put if is blank, okay, if is blank. So if this function, the full name is blank, then comma, double quotes twice, which means keep it blank. If this function is blank, then if this column full name is blank, then keep it blank, okay. If the b3 is blank, then keep it blank. Otherwise, we have put comma already, VLOOKUP. Otherwise, VLOOKUP. First of all, what we need is lookup value. So lookup value we will take from the same b3 comma table array. We will take this whole table from here, and of course we need to put first row, we need to froze. So we will do F4, we press here, okay, and then comma. What we are looking for here is the sales, which is second column. So column index number is 2, comma, for exact match is 0, bracket close, another bracket close for if function. All right, so this is the formula as you can see on the screen. If is blank with VLOOKUP, and press enter. So here is your formula is ready. You can drag it down, okay, like this. Next, again we need to put the same formula. If you didn't understand it first time, is blank. Again we will take v3 column. If v3 column is blank, then keep it blank. Otherwise, VLOOKUP, lookup value will take from here, table array again the same, and now this time we need to fridge this, okay, and then comma, column index number this time is 3 because we need months here, and 0 for exact match, 2 times, bracket close, enter, and you can drag it down too, like this. Third one, again the same. If is blank, same value, bracket closed, comma, keep it blank twice. Otherwise, VLOOKUP, same we need to look for, same data we're going to take. Again we're going to fridge the first row, and then column index number will be 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 comma 0 for exact match, double, and enter. Now you already know how this function is working, so drag it down. So we have all the formulas are here in place. Now we need to put data validation here. We go to data tab and go to data validation. In any value we change it to list, click on source and select this whole thing here, and okay, and drag it down. Now automatic sheet is ready in within minutes. Okay, now you want to type anything like this, it's asking reference. It means there's a problem with the formula here. I will check back this one, what is the issue. Okay, so here in this formula there is some issue. We will put this formula again one more time, equals if is blank. If this is blank, then keep it blank. Otherwise, VLOOKUP, the same value we need to look for, and we go here, F4, we need to put here F4 comma column index number is 3 comma 0, 2 times bracket close. Let's drag it down. I think it should work now. Yes, correct. Okay, so this is how those functions working. So your automatic seed is ready. You can use anything like this. All right, so if you want to delete it from here, everything is gone. Okay, so this was the first way of doing it. The second way of doing it is, I'm going to delete again all the formulas, going to show you if error, how does it work. All right, and I'm going to delete this, or no, not required anyway. So equals if error b lookup. Okay, so what we are looking for here is this b3 comma table array. Again, we are going to take the same, and yes, the same thing we need to do here, comma. Here we need to put the same column index number, which is 2 for the sales, and for exact match is 0, bracket close, comma. Now if error value, if error is saying if there is an error, what should be the value here? So we can simply keep it blank. All right, like this. So your formula is ready. If error we look up, press enter. You drag it down to see how it is working. If it is working, yes, it's perfectly working the same way. So you can use whether if error we look up, or you can use if error, I mean is blank, if is blank with VLOOKUP. So those two functions work the same way. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.